to add an event, you're in the management side, you're going to click Events, Add Event. And from here, you're going to be given a template with all these different settings. So give your event title, description. You can upload a photo from the system, one that's already generated, or create your own. Choose who's going to be the direct administrator of this event, and then what type it is. And so most likely you're going to have a volunteer event. This is the kind where you're going to be recruiting volunteers to go do service. An event would be just like we think of as an event, something that people show up to, or a project, a pledge, or something that's ticketed. Frequency is going to be whether it's one day, one time, multiple, maybe it's every Tuesday, or 3 days this week, or ongoing. There's just no set end date. It's constantly an option that students can register for. The privacy level is the other part that you're going to have to spend a little bit of time. You can click this Learn More link and it will explain these different pieces. But essentially, public is open to anybody, whether they're on the system or not. Private entire network is anybody that's affiliated with the DuGood platform. Private primary network, or let me put this way, private entire network is all of GivePulse. Private primary is anyone affiliated with the Drake network. Private group is then anyone only with your particular student organization. Invite only, then you have to send them a link. Affiliate specific would be community partner, and then tagging specific would be if your members, you can actually tag. Let's say you wanted to distinguish between different majors or different age, years in school. On the user side, you could create tags, and then you could make your event specific to that criteria. You're going to click Save and Continue. And then you're going to go through each of these pages. There are lots and lots of details. When you are done and you have every piece of information in here that you think is necessary, you're going to click Publish. That's going to then make your event live for people to start registering for. Once the event is live, you're going to come back to Manage and Registrations to be able to manage anyone who's actually registered for that event. So this is where you can see who has signed up. If you need to make additional edits to the event, you can go back to Manage and then Events. And now we're going to see a list of all of the events that have been created for our organization. You can also run reports from any of these pages. So see, we have an export right here. If you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out. My name is Renee Sedlacek-Lee, and the best email to reach me on this platform is dogood@drake.edu. We're here to serve you and happy to help you get acquainted and using the DuGood platform. Happy serving.